Are you struggling to bridge research findings and effective policy? Many researchers face this challenge. Understanding knowledge translation is key for effective decision-making. This tutorial will guide you through understanding and implementing knowledge translation strategies. The end goal is to equip you to turn research evidence into actionable policy. You'll learn essential strategies and practical tools for successful translation. Let's begin with stakeholder mapping. First, identify relevant actors in your community. Local communities, health services, and NGOs are critical. Understanding their interests will help you build coalitions. This clarity will facilitate effective engagement. Next, focus on policy windows. Timing is crucial for influencing policy. Identify when problem recognition and political will converge. Observe political cycles and budget cycles for effective advocacy. Now, consider intersectoral collaboration. Here, sectors like health, education, and housing converge. Collaborate across these sectors to ensure coherent policy design. This approach will enhance the effectiveness of your interventions. Moving on to practical tools for translation. The Spirit Action Framework is a valuable resource. It helps align your research with policy needs. Use it to identify priorities and tailor your messages effectively. Let's talk about knowledge brokers. These individuals connect researchers and policymakers. They facilitate the interpretation and dissemination of findings. Establishing communities of practice fosters ongoing knowledge exchange. This is crucial for embedding evidence use. Then create policy briefs and decision aids. Summarize key findings and provide actionable recommendations. These materials make complex evidence accessible and usable for policymakers. It's vital to ensure that evidence is relevant and credible. Co-produce your research agendas with stakeholders. This collaboration boosts the relevance of your findings. Maintain methodological transparency to enhance credibility. Last but not least, remember that translation is iterative. Implement monitoring and evaluation throughout. Establish feedback loops to allow adaptation. Treat policies as experiments to refine based on real-world learning. In summary, we've discussed essential strategies for translating evidence into policy. Understanding stakeholder mapping, timing, and collaboration are key. Use practical tools and ensure relevance and credibility. Lastly, adopt an iterative approach to translation. Now, take this knowledge and apply it in your work. Your efforts can lead to sustainable and equitable outcomes for your community. Start today by implementing these strategies and tools.